Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to use American Express gift card on PayPal. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open up PayPal and log into your PayPal account. So once you've logged into your PayPal account here, so what you're going to do, if you want to use your American Express gift card here on this portal, so it's better to link your American Express card here. So to do that, hit on the wallet option, click on wallet, and then here simply select the link a card option here. So click on link a card, and then now what you have to do is plug in the details of your American Express card here, and then under card type make sure you select American Express. So make sure you select American Express and then fill in the rest of the details and then hit on link card. So once you hit on the link card, then your American Express card would now be linked with PayPal, and then you can simply use this card now for any of your future purchases on PayPal. So since it has already been linked, you can simply make any of your future purchase using these gift cards. So that's how you use it on PayPal. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.